Hi, this is Natalie from Frequency and Food Wellness, and I'm back today with this gorgeous 12-inch pendulum. It is made here in the strand of Amazonite, a stone that's representative of truth, communication, harmony, and integrity. And then here at the junctions, we used glass beads, lovely and sparkly. And then the pendant itself is not Amazonite, but it's still gorgeous turquoise, teal blues, some of my absolute favorite colors for creativity. So we will give this guy a test run. Get our swing in a 45-degree angle, and we will ask him to show us a yes. He's shifted straight into a strong front to back swing, which is my affirmative yes. Show us a no. So we're getting a circle motion, and it's also shifting into a left and right motion, which is my no. And there we have it. This beautiful pendulum is for sale in my Etsy shop, myfrequency.shop, or you'll find many others like it.